Hi, we're the Plumlees. We went solar with harness.
We're from Lake Forest, California, and we bought our cabin up here in beautiful Idyllwild. It's so peaceful up here, especially with all the trees around our property. Just so nice to sit on the deck with a cup of coffee in the morning and watch the birds and the squirrels. Woodpeckers and northern flickers and nuthatches.
I like the stellar jays because everybody thinks they're blue jays. We have solar on our property in Orange County. It makes sense to have solar, and I knew I needed a new roof soon, and it's usually a good deal to do them both at the same time. So not only did we get solar, we also got a new roof through harness.
We decided to put it on Airbnb just to help make the payments for the mortgage.
Even though it's beautiful up here and it snows, it gets hot in the summer.
It does, and when we have Airbnb guests, they like to run the air conditioning a lot, so this should help with that.
A lot.
A lot.
The electrical bill was costing us $200 to $300 during the summer months, running it constantly. We went with an inverter option. When we lose power, we'll still have power to the house at least during the day. Obviously, when the sun goes down, we're not going to have power anymore. Sometimes when it's really windy, the power company will shut off the power to prevent fires. The reason we went with harness was so that we could combine a re-roof and new solar at the same time. Our payment for the re-roof and solar turns out to be less than what our electricity costs were on a monthly basis. We worked with Landon at Harness Power, and he was great to work with. He was very responsive. I had a lot of questions, and he was able to answer them.
Always was cheerful when answering and never got annoyed with us.
The panels, the microinverters, the fact we would still have power, even if there was a power outage, that kind of thing. I would recommend Harness because of their high quality panels, and they offer certain options that other companies don't. The microinverters, for instance, and the ability to have power if there's a power outage without a battery.
We highly recommend Harness if you're interested in going solar. We're just so excited to get the panels up and running, and I think you should do the same.